Have you pruned your life and your situations lately? Never thought about that, have you? Keep watching, and I'll see you in a little bit. In order to get ready, you have to get rid of, okay? So you have to get rid of dead-end situations, of dead-end relationships, of dead-end people, of dead-end whatever. It's dead weight, okay? You have to get rid of that first, and in doing so, you are allowing yourself to get ready for the right situations, the right relationships, the right people to enter into your life. I always say, if you want different, you have to move differently. You can't keep doing the same exact thing over and over again and expect a different outcome. What is that called? It's called insanity. So you need to get rid of in order to get ready, okay? And I know that's something that a lot of you guys don't want to hear, like, oh my gosh, but you have to get out of the comfort zone. You have to get out of that familiar toxic situation because, come on, we all know it's toxic because it's just toxic. So that's why I always say that a lot of times we block our blessings and we don't really realize it because we are held back and held down by all of this dead weight. You have to prune your life. Just like when you prune a rose bush, you have to get rid of all the dead leaves and all the dead buds so a nice, fresh flower can bloom. That's how life is too. What you're putting out is coming back. If you're holding on to negativity and toxicity, guess what's coming right back at you with the boomerang effect, negativity and toxicity. If you want different, you have to move different. So you have to get rid of so you can get ready, so you can bring in all of the goodness and all of the joy and all of the happiness that you deserve, okay? So with that, I want you to like, comment on this video, tell a friend, tell two, tell three, and until next time, I love you guys so much.